Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome to our Future Tech. We have created a new YouTube channel to inform you about the future of technology. Today we have got an exciting topic that is bound to keep you on the edge of your seat. We have diving deep into the fascinating world of technology, exploring some of the most important aspects that shape our digital life. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never missed out on your tech insights. Now let's jump in. The evolution of smartphone. First up, let us talk about the evolution of smartphone. From those bulky bricks of the past to the silky pocket-sized powerhouse, we have today smartphones have come a long way. We will take a closer look at how they transform our daily lives and where they might be headed in the future. The rising of artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence is the next big thing and it is here to stay. We will discuss how AI is changing industries from healthcare to finance and even our personal life. Plus, I will show you some just top AI applications that are already in use today. Cybersecurity in digital age. In an increasingly connected world, cybersecurity is paramount. I will break down the importance of keeping your digital life secure and share some practical tips to protect your data from prying eyes and cyber threats. Sustainable tech and green energy. With climate change becoming a passing issue, sustainable tech and green energy are taking center stage. We will explore innovations like solar panel, electric vehicle, and green efficient gadgets, all contributing to a greener future. The Internet of Things (IoT). The Internet of Things is connecting everything around us. I will delve into how IoT is making our lives more convenient and efficient with addressing the privacy and security concerns associated with a hyper-connecting world. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of some of the most important aspects of technology today. From smartphone to AI, cybersecurity to sustainable, and the IoT technology is shaping our world in an unimaginable way. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your tech-savvy friend. Leave comment below letting us know which topics you are most excited about, and as always stay curious and keep exploring the evolving world of technology. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next video.